ALCE Stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. I'm looking at Altrinos clean energy stock and it's just melting down. Before I get into it, I have delivered thousands of correct predictions over the last 4 years, and I've spent thousands on courses and mentors, documented everything. It's just like something to understand, like the stuff that I'm sharing here has taken me 35,000 videos of trial and error. Yes, 35,000 to learn. So generally speaking, I'm like, this is on the OTC market, so you know it is open over the counter. It is open, closed in 2 minutes though. And once something is in the OTC, I prefer not to trade it, specifically because of like this reason, but there's people making money out of it. I mean, definitely tried that before, and I'd stick to NASDAQ. But here with ALCE, my 2 cents on this is that it will just keep going down. Like, I'm not exaggerating when I say seen this happen thousands of times. And I'd rather stay with the trend because that's what's worked for me. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one.